This is the 2021 CForce 600. Guys, this is the 2021 CForce 600, and it's considered one of the most reliable ATVs in the market right now for an affordable price. It is a 4x4 and a 2x4 at the same time. I'll show you what I mean. We got a storage unit over here that you open up. Battery is located over here, as well as the air filter box. Standard fuel tank over here. And this is an automatic, but you have the option of a low, put in a low, high, neutral, reverse, or park. And you can also lock it so no one can steal it. Also, USB to charge your phones here. Same thing with your 12 volt adapter. Dry storage. You also have a dry storage unit over here. The key puts in place here. You also have your throttle. You also have this is how you switch your two-wheel drive into four-wheel drive. And they recommend it not to do it while moving. You stand still and you flip the switch to four-wheel drive. Also, if you flip this, it also becomes a lock and diff. So all four wheels can spin at the same time. Also, parking brakes. This is your front brakes as well as parking that you can set right here. This is your rear brakes over here. It is an electrical start. So your light switches are all over here. Your start switch, your horn, and your stop button. And also you have a winch. For this, you press the winch here, and you have a winch that pulls in and out over here. How cool is that? Now, crazy, the lights are like a modern car. I don't know if you guys can see, but these lights are ridiculously cool. Let me just turn them up all the way. And as you can see, they're fully shining bright. And as well as the tail lights. This is what appears to be Dragon style tail lights. Let's go for a ride.